Alright, hello guys, welcome to Mickey Web Design. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize your site in less than 15 minutes. So to get started, you'll need your website, a website that is hosted. You'll also need a domain name and Google Chrome browser. So I'll just click on my Google Chrome browser, then I search my control panel, which is hosted by my web hosting company, which is Global Internet Fortunes. So let's get started. So at the search bar here, I'll write my domain name, which is mickymoses.me.ke. So what do I do next? Because I want to access my control panel, not my client side. So what do? I just press /wp-admin /wp-admin. Simple. Then it appears here. Alright, now you can see this part here. So this is where I log in, the login forms. So my details are already set up because I use this form to log in a lot of times. So I'll just click on login, and this is now my control panel. Right, this is my control panel. I can see all the details: total unique visitors, average time on each page, my impression. This is a site kit summary, my site kit summary, all that. And now my dashboard here. So the dashboard is the most important part because we are going to study dashboard. If you don't understand the dashboard, basically it's going to be a challenge for you when it comes to customizing your website. So let's say you did not access your control panel using that method, or you cannot access your control panel using that route because of maybe some issues here and there with your web hosting company. So you'll just need to log into your web hosting company, which is gif.co.ke, the best web hosting company in Kenya. So then you log into your account. Then at the bottom you'll see your domain name written. I'm not going to log into my account. You'll see your domain name written, and then WP admin. Look for that part, WP login rather. Then you click on that part, then we will all end up here on this website. Yours might not look the same as mine because mine I've customized a bit. So there's a dashboard here, the dashboard part here. So you can see the home, the updates, the site kit. The site kit will not be available for you. I'll show you how you use the site kit in future episodes. Posts, all posts, add a new category, tags. And then there's a media library, add new pages, comments, cookies. Cookies won't also be available. Appearance, this is the most important part. If you master this part, basically you are good to go. Plugins are just basically like apps on your phone. Basically you have a calculator, you have like this one here. This is a calculator. It calculates the number of people visiting my website. So and it's a plugin. So that's all about plugins. Plugins are just basic apps in a website. So there's a users part. For me, I have two users who can access my website from the control panel. Websites such as Tuko and Kenyan.co.ke, they have a lot of users because basically they have signed a lot of authors. So they have to sign here a lot of users to be writing content now and then. Then the tools part, the setting part, and then if you're using a laptop, this is a collapse menu here. So I'll just begin off with the basic part. The basic part is usually to deactivate all the plugins. You deactivate all the plugins. Why do you do this? Because some plugins are not compatible with some websites. Just like your phone, if it's version 5.1, it's not compatible with TikTok. Yes, it's just like that. Just some plugins are not compatible with some uh websites because of maybe how they were built, the coding, they didn't match, and the rest. So we deactivate all the plugins. So we click on plugins, then install plugins. This is something you can do with your phone easily. So we click on plugins, we select the theme, then themes. Then if your site does not already have themes, or you're using the Clio theme most of the time, or you're using Astra or any other theme, you can come here and search for a basic theme which is called Newses. I used it to train myself. So activate the theme. Then you activate the theme, you will see how your site looks like. But for me, I'll just go back to my theme, which is Newsmatic. Then you activate, just install, add new, activate, install, add new, activate. That's all about the themes. So you can add the Astra theme, but this one you'll need a laptop to edit. The head news is also good for blogging in case you want to do blogging. Then there's the Clio and the Clio. They have two themes there. So let's go to the last part, which should be the posts. The posts. How do you add a new post? How do you remove the dummy content? For example, if you visit my website here, this is the content part. This is my content on my website. So most of you will find a dummy content on your pre-customized websites. That is, if you're using a pre-customized website, most of the content there will be dummy. So how do you remove the dummy content? It's simple. Dashboard, then posts, all posts. Then you select on the title here because everything will be dummy. You select on it, then delete. You apply bulk action, move to trash. That's how you delete the post. For me, I do not want to delete everything. I want to delete just one. This one, the magic behind Kenyatta International Conference Center, because I've written nothing. It's just a draft. It's dummy for now. So I'll just select it and then bulk action, move to trash. Then I'll apply. Then there was an error moving to trash, but basically it has moved it to trash. When I reload the site, if I would reload the site, you'll find that the post has moved to trash. This, the magic behind KICC is now missing. So you can do the same to all your posts. Okay, it's that simple. So let's go to the last part. How do you add a new post? A new post, just select on add new post. Add a new post. Then for example, I want my old title, my old post, so I'll just write the magic behind KICC. So that's my topic for my post or my blog. Then I'll need some content to add here. Do I need to write the content from my head? No, there's some shortcuts you can use, but don't use these shortcuts if you want your website to be monetized by Google, or you want to make money from Google in simple through ads, that is. So we'll just do something simple. Login into a new tab and then search on Google ChatGPT.ai. You can either log in or sign up if you do not already have an active account. After logging in or signing up, this is what you see. This is ChatGPT.ai. So just come here and search about KICC, and ChatGPT will give me all the details. I repeat, do not use this method if you want your content to monetize your content. If you want to monetize your content, rather. So just click here to copy. Then you go back to your tab. You go back to the post. So then I'll just have to paste. So I've pasted my story there about KICC. So I need to get some images to beautify this post. What do? Just select on this button here, or I can do this. I can select here, or rather you just skip a few lines. Double tap. Then you double click. If you're using your phone, you double click these words. Type to choose a block. You just double click the words here. Then a plus will appear here. Then you add a block. Then select on image. I need an image there. I do not already have an image of KICC. So I'll go and download the image from Google. Download the image from Google. For example, I like this one. Or rather this one. Because from here I can see my place of work. So I download the image, save the image very fast. You can do this also using your phone. You just download the image, then back to your control panel, then upload the file, upload the image, and there you go. My KICC blog is now ready. I can also add another image here, somewhere here. So you skip a line, double click, then click on the plus. If you're using a phone, remember to double tap these words, then add a block, or rather an image. So I upload. I do not want to use the same photo. I repeat the same process. Go to Google, and you don't do this again if you want to monetize your content, because some of these pictures are copywritten. So just select the best one, maybe this one. Save the image. Now we are good to go. Then we upload the file. Simply, it's the first one here. Open. Then I can just extend it. I want it to cover the whole story. All right, now it looks nice. My blog looks ready for posting. But before I post, I must check on some few things. Okay, one, I must check on the posts itself. Then I add a featured image. Here I select on featured image. Then I'll still add the same picture. This one I can add this one. Set the featured image. Then I publish. And that's it. Now you can view your posts from any part of the website. So this is my website. Now I can view my post from home. So, and you can see the magic behind KACC. It's there, the story is here, and that's how you post on your website. So you can do 7 posts, 8 posts, depending on the topics you like. Okay, you can subscribe if you want to learn more on web designing. I'll be doing a video every Saturday, and hopefully this will help you in your web designing career. Thank you. See you later.